Night quietly falls. The little town slowly calms down. This is the most important time of the day for Mr. Moon. It's time to send out his goodnight letters. In his cozy cloud post office, Mr. Moon sits with his gold-rimmed glasses, writing letters one by one. Each night, he writes a warm letter to every child. Dear little fox, you did so well today running fast and helping your mama pick fruit. You deserve a sweet, sweet dream tonight. In his dream, Little Bear floated up to the clouds. There, he met Mr. Moon, and they danced a magical moonlit waltz together. But not every letter is opened right away. Sometimes, little ones are still busy playing, like Little Bunny, who hasn't seen the letter on her windowsill yet. Don't worry, Mr. Moon understands. He gently waves his hand, and stardust falls softly through the sky. The room grows dim, and Little Bunny starts to feel sleepy. One by one, the children drift off to sleep. Little Bear, Little Fox, Little Bunny, and Mr. Moon smiles warmly from above, his heart full of joy. One letter, one dream, one peaceful night. And now, it's your turn to dream. Good night, dear one.